First, take a look at this video.
Hello everyone! Today I'm visiting this local market, a place where every shop has its own story.
This coffee tastes really good. It's warm, smooth, and full of flavor. Exactly what you need while walking through a market like this.
Spending time here today reminded me how special simple places can be. Every stall, every person, and every moment.
This entire video was created in less than 10 minutes. I didn't record a separate voiceover, I didn't manually add background music, and I didn't place sound effects one by one. Everything you see and hear in this video, visuals, voice, background music, and sound effects, was generated together automatically. The best part is that all of this was created using free-to-use AI tools. Making videos with AI has become so easy that anyone can learn it. So let's see step by step how you can create videos like this. But before that, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. The first step is generating a storyline for the video. For this, I use our favorite AI tool, ChatGPT. After logging in, I go to the Ask Anything box and type a prompt asking ChatGPT to create a short story where the main character is a girl named Emily. Emily visits a market, observes her surroundings, interacts with shop owners, and speaks something in each scene. You can copy this prompt as is or modify it according to the kind of story you want to create. Within seconds, ChatGPT generates a complete short story divided into 3 scenes: the market entry, a conversation with a fruit seller, and a conversation with a toy seller. With that, the full storyline is ready. To turn this story into a video, the next step is creating images for each scene. For that, I again use ChatGPT and ask it to generate detailed image prompts for every scene. ChatGPT provides clear and descriptive prompts that can be used to generate visuals. To create the images, I use a free AI tool called Whisk AI. I open Google, search for Whisk AI, click the first result, and log in using my email. After logging in, I see a simple interface with a box that says, "Describe your idea," where I paste the image prompt generated by ChatGPT. This entire process works smoothly on both mobile phones and laptops. I then select the aspect ratio depending on where I want to upload the video, such as square, vertical, or 16:9 landscape, and click Generate button. Whisk AI creates multiple high-quality images, and I can download any image I like completely free. While generating images for the second and third scenes, one important thing to keep in mind is character consistency. To make sure Emily looks the same in every scene, I upload the image from the first scene along with the new prompt. This helps the AI maintain the same face, outfit, and overall appearance across all scenes, which makes the final video look clean and professional. I repeat this process until all the scene images are ready. Once all the images are created, the next step is converting them into videos. For this, I use another free AI tool called Google Flow. I search for Google Flow AI, log in using my email, and click New Project. Since the images are already created, I choose the Frames to Video option. Google Flow works with JSON prompts to generate videos with motion, dialogue, and background music, so I again take help from ChatGPT. I describe the scene in detail, what Emily is doing, how she moves, and what she says, and then ask ChatGPT to provide a JSON prompt for that scene. ChatGPT generates the code instantly. I copy the code, paste it into Google Flow, upload the corresponding image, select the aspect ratio, and click Generate. Within moments, the video is ready with voice, music, and smooth animation. I download the version I like the most and repeat the same process for the remaining scenes. Once all the scene videos are ready, I bring them into a video editor to combine everything into one final video. I usually use CapCut because it's beginner-friendly and very easy to use. CapCut also offers many AI features like AI image generation, AI video tools, text-to-video, AI music, transitions, titles, captions, and text-to-speech, all in one place. Once everything is joined and finalized, the video is complete. If you want to see more AI tutorials or different video ideas on this channel, let me know in the comments. I'll see you in the next video.